Supply chain management, SCM, is a vital discipline that orchestrates the flow of goods, information, and finances from raw material suppliers to end customers. Effective SCM optimizes processes like demand planning, sourcing, production, inventory management, and logistics to enhance efficiency, reduce operational costs, and boost customer satisfaction. In a globalized economy, SCM requires strategic planning, leveraging market trends, supplier capabilities, and logistical coordination. Advanced technologies such as enterprise resource planning, ERP, systems, data analytics, artificial intelligence, AI, and Internet of Things, IoT, empower professionals to predict demand fluctuations, mitigate disruptions, and improve decision-making. Real-time visibility through supply chain software enables rapid responses to issues, ensuring agility and resilience. Recent global challenges, including the COVID-19 pandemic, natural disasters, and geopolitical tensions, have underscored the need for robust supply chains capable of adapting to unforeseen events. Sustainability is now a cornerstone of SCM, with companies focusing on carbon footprint reduction, waste minimization, and ethical sourcing. Optimizing transportation routes, adopting green logistics, and using recyclable materials align with consumer preferences for environmentally responsible products. Reverse logistics and circular supply chains further support sustainable practices. SCM professionals navigate complexities like vendor management, procurement, lead time, and just-in-time inventory to maintain competitiveness. As markets evolve, digital transformation, blockchain for transparency, and automation will shape the future of SCM. By balancing cost efficiency, customer demand, and environmental impact, SCM remains a key driver of organizational success and global trade. Contact us today. WhatsApp, +1 9153498858. Email, customer@bestremoteworkers.com. Website, www.bestremoteworkers.com.